Welcome back. It's time now to take a look at the top business stories. New green technologies exposed at the World Future Energy Summit. Steel demand in the UAE to grow by 4% this year. And Dubai International Airport wins Best Airport Award. The GCC markets as well as the UAE bourses ended mixed today. The DFM gained 0.8% to close at 1,622 points. EMA rose 0.3% and Dubai Islamic Bank gained 0.5%. DU was up over 2.33% and DP World gained 1.25%. 78 million shares were traded, valued at 134 million dirhams. And over in the capital, the ADX fell nearly 0.4% to close at 2,679 points. In the banking sector, Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank rose nearly 1.5%, while Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank was up 0.3%. Alda Properties gained nearly 3.5% and Suru Real Estate was up over 2.5%. Dana Gas gained 1.4%. Etisalat fell nearly 0.5%. 78 million shares were traded, valued at 135 million dirhams. The World Future Energy Summit continued today with keynote speakers from around the world. Equally anticipated as the speakers list is the list of leading players in the production, installation and integration of products in the renewable energy value chain. June Wrigley finds out what types of green technologies are available on the market.
Over the course of 4 days, the World Future Energy Summit is hosting over 600 leading players involved in all aspects of the renewable energy value chain. Here we take a look at some of the newest and cleanest technologies. Cork is slowly making its comeback as a truly natural, recyclable, durable and sustainable green product. From inception, cork has a positive impact by absorbing CO2 emissions. Added on to that, cork can be used to create a number of eco-friendly products.
Cork tree can live during approximately 200 years, and during this period is given cork every 9 years. The cork trees is also important because absorbs only in Portugal approximately 5 million tons of CO2 every year. So it's a natural and renewable raw material. And after that, we can produce a lot of final cork materials for different applications. You can see for thermal insulation, acoustical insulation, or for anti-vibration. Another advantage of cork, of this product, the durability is very long. We have some experience with more than 40 years, 45 years, and at the end the cork is exactly like in the same day. And the interesting thing, the cork can be totally recycled. This cork was used in 1964 for a cold refrigeration warehouse, and it was demolished in 2009 and by real estate reasons. And we verified that the cork is exactly on the same day. That means the durability fantastic. But that's the reason why I used to say that for energy efficiency without durability is not sustainability, and the cork is the right material for thinking about sustainability.
Cork is just one example of the non-polluting products on display, which is surprisingly simple yet effective in its usage. Japanese company Okaya does the same.
This device can filter water from the dirty water into the drinking water. It's a very simple function. It does not need any electricity device.
From the simple to the complex, the World Future Energy Summit demonstrates that through innovation, green technology, and through the choices we make, we have the power to change our world. June Wrigley, 7 National News.
Oil and gas projects are expected to raise demand for steel in the UAE, with industry insiders predicting a 4% growth of steel consumption this year. Industry experts met at the Steel Fab exhibition in Sharjah to further discuss the flurry of developments in the region. The UAE and Saudi Arabia are expected to lead the growth of steel consumption, valued at nearly $3 trillion due to their investments into the oil and gas industry. Currently, in the Middle East, the oil and gas sectors account for 30% of all projects. Dubai International Airport has won the Best International Airport Award for the Middle East. The Business Traveller Award is a People's Choice Award based on consumer votes that recognizes services, facilities and accessibility of airports. The award is Dubai International Airport's first award this year and its 5th consecutive win of the trophy. Jamal Al-Hay, the Senior Vice President of Dubai Airports, said in a statement that the win is due to the airport's strategic partners, including DINATA, Dubai Police, Immigration, Customs, Dubai Duty Free, the numerous retailers at the airport, and the 130 airlines that connect Dubai to the world. And in our fast financial news, Steve Jobs, the CEO of the iPhone maker Apple, will take a medical leave of absence that has left investors concerned over the future pace of the company. Industry insiders say the news are negative for the stock in US trading. The Apple share is priced nearly 5% lower, bringing the overall US technology sector down as well. Apple shares closed last week on a record high of $348. Futures on the Nasdaq 100 index, of which Apple makes up over 20%, sank nearly 1% from their close last Friday. The National Bank of Abu Dhabi has become the first bank in the UAE to launch a green automotive teller machine. The solar-powered ATM has begun operations at the Al Bateen branch in Abu Dhabi, and the bank aims to implement such machines across all its branches. Now it is time to take a look at the GCC stock markets, which ended mostly lower today. Coming up now, let's take a look at various currencies against the dirham, followed by the price of oil and precious metals. Well, that's it from the business desk. You can contact us at news@city7tv.com. Up next, Laura Buckwell is back with the news.